The drone world is currently standing at a massive crossroads because the laws of physics are being challenged by a device that weighs less than a small cup of coffee. For years, we have been told that high-end professional cinematography requires bulky hardware, heavy batteries, and complex FAA registrations that make casual flying a headache. But as we move into the middle of 2026, a new leak has surfaced that is sending shockwaves through the industry and making even the most seasoned Mavic 3 Pro owners look at their gear with a bit of regret. We are talking about the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a drone that is rumored to pack a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into a sub-250-gram frame, effectively ending the era where portability meant compromising on image quality. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This upcoming release isn't just an incremental update. It is a total redesign of what a compact drone can achieve in terms of dynamic range, low-light performance, and autonomous flight. Imagine taking a drone out of your pocket and capturing 6K video at 30 frames per second with 14 stops of dynamic range, all while flying through a dense forest in the middle of the night. This sounds like science fiction, yet the leaked specifications for the Mini 6 Pro point toward a miniaturized LiDAR system that provides true 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle sensing even in complete darkness. This is a game-changer for solo content creators and travel vloggers who often find themselves losing light during the golden hour and risking their equipment to get that one perfect shot. The inclusion of an O5 transmission system means that signal drops in urban environments or behind thick foliage are becoming a thing of the past, offering a theoretical range that stretches over 25 kilometers with a high bitrate 1080p live feed. When we look at the internal hardware, the shift to a stacked sensor architecture is the most significant leap since the introduction of the original Mini series. By stacking the image processing circuitry directly behind the light-sensitive pixels, DJI has managed to increase data readout speeds to a level that virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion. This means that high-speed maneuvers and fast-moving subjects will look incredibly sharp without that jelly-like warping effect that plagues cheaper sensors. For professional filmmakers, this makes the Mini 6 Pro a viable B-cam that can be deployed in restricted urban areas where larger drones simply aren't allowed to fly without extensive permits. The ability to shoot true vertical 4K video with a gimbal that now supports a 225-degree range of motion provides creative angles that were previously impossible, allowing for overhead shots and high-angle reveals that feel more like a Hollywood crane move than a drone flight. The power management system has also seen a revolutionary upgrade with the introduction of high-energy density cells that push the flight time to a staggering 60 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. In the past, the 30-minute mark was considered the gold standard, but by hitting the 1-hour milestone, the Mini 6 Pro allows creators to spend more time in the air framing their shots and less time on the ground swapping batteries. This efficiency is further enhanced by an aerodynamic redesign that features longer, more efficient props and a refined airframe that cuts through wind with the stability of much larger drones. Even in high wind conditions along the coast or in mountain passes, the Mini 6 Pro remains locked in place, thanks to its upgraded GPS and Galileo satellite integration, which now connects to more than 30 satellites simultaneously for rock-solid positioning. But the real magic happens in the software, where DJI is reportedly integrating Edge AI features that automate the entire editing process. For creators who want to post immediately to social media, the drone can now analyze the footage in real time, identifying the most cinematic movements and automatically generating a 60-second highlight reel with color grading and transitions applied. This makes it the ultimate tool for the modern influencer who needs to stay ahead of the curve with high-quality content that can be produced in minutes. The ActiveTrack 360 system has been refined to the point where it no longer just follows a subject, it CTS their movement through complex environments, using its LiDAR sensors to see obstacles before they even enter the frame. Whether you're mountain biking through a canopy of trees or running through a crowded city street, the drone stays glued to you, maintaining a cinematic distance and angle that looks like it was filmed by a professional crew. As we look toward the official release date, which many insiders expect to fall in the latter half of 2026, the pricing is the final piece of the puzzle. Despite the massive hardware upgrades, DJI is expected to keep the base price competitive to ensure it remains the top choice for the sub-250 grand market. By offering a product that bypasses most international registration requirements while delivering professional-grade results, they are effectively making the mid-range Air series and even some flagship models redundant for a large portion of the market. The Mini 6 Pro is not just a hobbyist toy. It is a precision-engineered tool that is democratizing high-end cinematography. It challenges the idea that you need to carry a heavy backpack of gear to capture the world in stunning detail. As the leaks continue to pour in and the release draws closer, one thing is clear. The sky is no longer the limit, and the future of aerial storytelling is smaller, smarter, and more powerful than we ever imagined.